Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I'm your mathematics teacher live of grade 5. Students, as we have started unit number 2, the HCF and LCM. And this is my third lecture of this unit. So now students, let's start. As students, the unit name is HCF and LCM, and I have already told you about the HCF and LCM, and we have done one method on this. So the method is division method. We have find the HCF by division and LCM by division method. Now after this we are starting the prime factorization method. LCM by prime factorization method and HCF by prime factorization method. Now you see, find the HCF by prime factorization method. The prime factorization method. We have to find out the prime factors, the prime factor. I have already discussed in the previous lecture that what are the prime numbers. So prime numbers has just two factors, the one and itself, and always greater than 1. So students, the prime factors are those numbers which have just two factors, the one and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime factors. These numbers have just two factors. Now finding prime factors individually. The method is that you have to find the factors individually. The question is 36 and 48. 36 and 48. Now students, as 36 is coming in the 1 table, in the 2 table, in a 3 table, in 4, 9 and itself and many more. But the method is the prime number, the prime factorization method. So you have to choose the prime factors, but the prime factors will be the smallest one. Means this 36 is already coming in the table of 3, but you have to take through 2 digit. You have to take the factor of, you have to take 2 prime number. Now as 36 is coming in the table of 2 and 36 is exactly divisible by 2 and 2 is the prime number, so we can take 2 to 18s are 36. 2 18s are 36. Now 18 is a new number. Check in the table of 2. 2 words are 2 9s are. You can start the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16 and 2 9s are 18. You will write 2 9s are 18, 9 under 18. Now the 9, check 9 in the table of 2 first. Is 9 is coming? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 9 is not coming. Now we will take the next one digit 3, table. 3 is, first check 3 is the prime. Yes, 3 is the prime number. Now we will start the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 9 is coming, so take 9. 3 3s are 9. Now write 3 under 9. This is 3, so 3 is very easy, is coming in the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. Now we will write 1 under 3. Finished? When 1 is coming, then it's finished. Now the next one number is 48. 48. Check this 48 in the table of 2 first, because 2 is the first prime number. 2 is the first prime number, as 48 is bigger. 48 is bigger, so you can apply here a divisibility rules. In 48, 8 is the ones place digit. 8 is the even number. So 48 is coming. 2 24s are 48. Write 24 under 48. Now the new number is 24. Is 24 is coming? Check it again. Is 24 is coming in the table of 2? Yes, 2 12s are 24. Write 12 under 24. Now this is 12 now. 2 6 are 12. 12 is coming in the table of 2. 2 6 are 12. Write 6 under 12. The new number is now 6. Now check again. 6 in the table of 2. 2 3s are 6. Write 3 under 6. Is 3 is coming in the table of 2? No. 3 is not coming in the table of 2. Check in the table of 3. Is coming? Yes, 3 is coming. Clear? If there is any number which is not coming in the table of 2 and 3 also, you have to check in the table of 5. You will skip 4. Why? Because 4 is the composite number and 5 is the prime number. The next prime number is 7, then the next prime number is 11, then the next prime number is 13. So 1 is coming. This is finished. We have find out all the prime factors of 48 and 36. This is our first step. Clear? We are going stepwise. Now students, you have to write all the prime factors horizontally, left to right. Okay. All possible factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3 and 3. We will multiply. We are not multiplying, we are not multiplying. We will write just it horizontally and we will put a multiplication sign. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 1. Now the next one number is 48. All possible factors of 48 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 1. Clear? If you are skipping one, it's okay. Now first step is completed. This is our first step. Now in the second step, choose out the common factor. Means we will choose the common factor which is coming in 36 and 48. So we will check here. 2 is coming in 48. Yes, 2 and 2. Then the next one 2 2 and 3 and 3. In 48 2 is coming, but in 36 2 is not coming. We cannot take, so we will take just the first one 2, the second one 2 and 3 3. So we will take one time 2 and take one time 3 and again 2. So how many 2's here? 2 2, 2 times 2 and 3. Now this is our step number 2. Step 3 is we will multiply all the common factor to get the HCF. This is the method for finding HCF. Okay. First you have to take out the common. Then you have to multiply all the common factors which are 2, 2 and 3. You cannot multiply it in the second step. We will multiply in the third one step. Here are given numbers 36 and 48. The common factors of these two numbers are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Clear? So the HCF for numbers 36 and 48 is 12. So 12 is the highest common factor. Clear? Means this is the factor of 36 and 48. Is it clear? Students, there will be also another factor of 48 and 36, but 12 is the highest, is the greatest factor of 36 and 48. Is it clear, students? Students, we have done the division method. We have done the HCF by division method, LCM by division method, and now this is the prime factorization method, HCF by prime factorization method, and now the next one will be the LCM by prime factorization method. So students, our time is finished. I am telling you, please do practice on these methods. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.